Hello and welcome to this week's Torah. In this week's Seder Pashas Mattos, we read about vows, about nedarim, and different kinds of promises that people could make, and when they would have to keep them, and then when it would be possible to get an annulment for that vow. And the Torah starts off saying, "Vayidaber Moshe Rosh Mattos." Moshe Rabbeinu spoke to the heads of the community and then gave them this mitzvah. And Rashi points out that obviously this mitzvah was not only given to the heads of the community, but rather this mitzvah was given to everyone. And so therefore the question remains, why was this mitzvah then specifically told first to the heads of the community and only then afterwards to everybody else? Why is it important for the heads of the community to know about this specific mitzvah? And I think the answer to this question is, it has to do very much with one of the psukim, one of the verses that we speak about when it comes to this mitzvah of nedarim, to this mitzvah of vows. The mitzvah of vows, when you speak about it, we say, Lo yachad davar, he should not go and he should not profane his words. A person has to realize that his mouth is a very, very important tool. And his mouth is sort of the thing that people will judge him by in almost everything he does. And therefore, it is important that a person makes sure that his word is a word and what he says is correct. But this is important for the regular person, and it's even more important for the Rosh Hamatos. Leaders take this whole thing to the next level. So that even though the regular people is very important to say what is right and what is wrong, and to tell the truth and not to lie. But people who are in a leadership position, any little thing that they say, any small mistake that they make, and anything that can be misconstrued in the wrong way could get them in tremendous trouble. And so that Moshe Rabbeinu, before giving this mitzvah to anybody else, he called in the leaders of Klal Yisrael and he said, listen, you need to know this. It is very important for you to know the importance of how to speak, when to speak, and what to say, and to make sure that you use your mouth correctly and not incorrectly. Not everybody's a leader. Not everybody has the same pressure on them about what they say and what they don't say. But the point that we're making is still very important. We have to be careful with what we say. We have to be careful how we use our mouth. Our mouth could be a weapon. We could use it to destroy people, and we could use it to build people. Let's raise people up. Let's use our mouth for holy things and not profane it and use it for the wrong things. Have a very good Shabbos.